Okay. So, back in January, the Interbeef working group has met again, and we discussed what were the actions that we needed to take for this coming year. What was decided was that the countries involved in the program were supposed to load the pedigree in the Interbull database. This is a short review of what happened. The majority of the countries involved have successfully uploaded the pedigree in our database, and now they are busy in doing pedigree verification. Just for the people that are not familiar with what pedigree verification means, we are talking about the international ID as we use at Interbull. And in such ID, we have a breed country combination, which is associated to an authoritative organization. Each authoritative organization is the only one able to correct the pedigree record of ID reported by other organizations or countries. How do they verify this record? Is by uploading a pedigree file and eventually uploading of a cross-reference file. Once an animal has been verified, it cannot be changed by any other organization. A consideration about the status of this pedigree verification, there has been a tremendous work done by the country so far, although there are still some animals that are still pending verification, and this is what the countries are busy now. One task that reporting countries will need to do is to update their database according to the verification feedback got from the Interbull database, so that they can move on and create their performance data accordingly to this feedback. As for the phenotypic data, we have recently reviewed our formats for performance and parameter files, and those are available in the ICAR website. The reason for reviewing the formats was to create formats that are more flexible and adequate for including all sorts of traits and not only winning weights. What is the status of the validation? We will use a checking program in-house that will check the correct file format for both performance and parameter files. The program will check the correctness construction of the international ID, such as reinforcing the business rules reported in the guidelines. Any non-conformities that we will find, we will take by email conversation with the country's representative. Future plans. We decided this morning to allow more time for pedigree verification. It was also decided that on middle of August we will freeze the pedigree uploading so that we will allow time for countries to create their performance files according to the feedback got from the Interbull database. And we have set up a data call for middle of September for reception of pedigree and performance files. Thank you.